So hello and welcome everyone to this new YouTube video. I am Ananya Shankar and I welcome you all. So after a long time I'm facing the camera again. So welcome me. So yeah, today we'll be discussing about 3 law books which you should read before graduating the law school. Yeah, why I'm saying that? Because these 3 books have the summary of your law school. Okay, these 3 books will be helpful for you in future also when you become advocates, learned judges. So these will always stay with you forever. So let me start by showing you these 3 books. First is Interpretation of Statutes. Although these subjects will come later in my semester, but I'm studying these very early. Why? Because these books have law in very great extent. It has laws in a better perspective. It gives you a better perspective in law school to know the interpretations of laws, to know why laws are there. So first book by Interpretation of Statutes by Vepa P Sarthi. Vepa P Sarthi is professor, visiting professor at Nalsar. So this book familiarizes you with the depth of law, how to interpret the particular law, how to know that what is the existence of a particular law, the provisos, the sections, the exceptions, everything gets covered when you study this book. Now next book is Legal Ethics and Courtcraft by Singhal. Although this is a dukki, but this is a very good book for Indraprastha University students. Why I am focusing on these books? Because many of many of the subjects which are there are very useful for people who want to be in touch with the laws always, like they want to become advocates, law professors, legal scholars, or judges. So these books will be very helpful for us. So now, as I am using various books which are from law professors of NLUs, which are currently in great positions, they are in great places. So I'm using these books because I can grab their knowledge and experience from these books. So this book, Legal Ethics and Courtcraft, is prescribed for Indraprastha University students, as I am myself studying in this university for 5 years BLLB course. So this would be very helpful as it contains Supreme Court rules, Delhi High Court rules, bar and bench relations, and many great acts which are useful for judiciary aspirants, such as Limitation Act, Registration Act. So I will cover a video about these minor laws which are helpful for judiciaries. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. So next and last but not the least, this is Administrative Law. Administrative Law by IP Messi. IP Messi again is a very great persona in the field of law. He is also a great professor. He is a visiting professor of law at HNLU, and he was a professor at and dean at NLU Shimla also. So this book also is a great authority over administrative law. Administrative law teaches you about various administrative uh, places, about various administrative bodies in India. It interprets the constitution, interprets various digests, rules, and you get to know the law from its depth, its derivation, and everything. So these 3 books will be very helpful for you all. Before graduating, you must study these 3 books thoroughly because it will help you in future and always. Thank you so much. This was today's video. I hope to write a great article in detail when I complete finishing reading these books. So follow my LinkedIn newsletter and subscribe to it. All the links are in the description. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.